Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so Jasmy, yesterday we talked about the bear flag and coming down to nearly 3487, met the target. That's amazing. Okay, now on the monthly time frame, my focus is not on the daily or the weekly. I don't care what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you always get those scam pumps, but the plan remains the same, and the plan is that you do have, unfortunately, on the monthly again, you do have continuation pattern, which is known as 3 black rows yet again, and yes, you're gonna get 1953 for Jasmy. Could you go even lower? I don't know if you're gonna go even lower, but it will be interesting to see when Jasmy comes down to 1953, 1953, as I've been calling this one for a long time. It's important to see what Bitcoin does during that time. So when Jasmy reaches 1953, I want to see what the prices of Bitcoin is actually going to be. If Bitcoin at that time trades near 8,500, then I think this could potentially be the bottom for Jasmy. But if Bitcoin is trading near 13,000 and 14,000, then considering that Bitcoin can go lower to 8,500, we could see another pattern here, and we could move even lower when Bitcoin later goes to 8,500. So it all depends on where Bitcoin prices are going to be. If Bitcoin bottoms out at $8,500 at that time, then you're going to see Jasmy bottoming out. But we're going to go step by step. If we make another flag, if we make another continuation, then boom, you're going to go even lower, even 70% more lower. And that's pretty much it for this Jasmy update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.